So God exists. He is one God, one being, one essence, one substance, three persons, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And then there are angels who are really soldiers, but spiritual soldiers. You cannot see them. And they're very powerful. And they really fight in war. And then there are also demons, Satan and the demons. So Satan and the demons are the dark forces. They are evil spirits. You cannot see them also. Some say they used to be angels and then they chose to rebel and not be an angel anymore. So they became demons. Satan, one of the demons, became their leader. So there's one Satan and many demons, and Satan is also a demon. He is the boss of all the demons. The demons, they are also called powers and principalities. They control governments and institutions, organizations, families, people, tribes, nations. There's hierarchy in Ephesians chapter 6, in that famous passage on spiritual warfare. You have to go to my website, glemmelo.com. Read the one on prayer warfare against oppressors. We need to fast also, pray and praise and worship. So 2 Chronicles chapter 20, there's Jehoshaphat, right? And as our king is not Jehoshaphat, it's Jesus, right? So Jesus is greater than Jehoshaphat. If God gave them sure and absolute victory with a Jehoshaphat, how much more with a Jesus? Jesus is infinitely more holy, more righteous, more just, more faithful, more obedient, more loving, more kind, more humble. So we have sure victory. God's promise to the Israelites there are promised because of Jesus, right? We are now the New Testament people of God. So we want Israelites to become members of the church, right? And the church is spiritual. There's an invisible church and there's a visible church. The visible church are the churches that you see. They are organized, they gather in one place, they have a pastor or maybe a priest. Those are organized churches, visible churches, you can see them. But the invisible church is the church that you cannot see. Not everybody who attends a visible church is a true Christian. Not everybody that is a member of a visible church is an authentic Christian. Not all of them are authentic Christians. There are fake Christians, hypocrites, who are members in good standing of visible churches. There are authentic Christians in visible churches. And there are also authentic Christians who are not members of a visible church. Like, for example, at Reality SF, there's no membership. You're not a member. It's not church membership, which is wise. Because the pastors and the leaders, the staff, they have to focus on running the church, the ministry of the church. They are members of the invisible church. So the sincere Christians, the repentant Christians, those are the ones who are members of the invisible church. So now, all members of the invisible church must unite.